Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Now look for boot with orientation icon and click on it. As you can see, mine is grey. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well, scroll down, click on display over here, and click on this switcher next to screen lock portrait orientation feature. If the switcher is grey, that means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!